Hi guys, so in today's video we are checking if you have problems connecting your debit card to your PS5, if we can find a few solutions. So the first thing that you would want to do is verify that your billing address on your PlayStation account matches the one on the card that you are trying to put on. Now I'm going to rule out the fact that you might have typed in your information incorrect, as that would be the first thing to check. What I would recommend is to make sure that you do not have two different PlayStation accounts using the same card. If you do, remove the card from one of the PlayStation accounts and keep it on the one that you're actually trying to use. I hate to go back, but again, the billing address one is a big deal. Make sure it's typed in exactly the way it is on your card. Now, maybe not a full-on solution, but you can consider buying PSN gift cards and using that to put money on your account, though really how annoying, right? Now, another one is your region. Make sure that your card is the same as the region you have set on your PlayStation account. Keep in mind that you cannot just locally change your PlayStation account region. So if that is the case, you might have to use a different account in order to add that card. But that is about all the tips I've got for you guys, and I really hope it does manage to fix some of your issues. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.